Hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. Welcome back to my channel, and I am here with another video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so I just wanted to go ahead and mark up um, gaps in the market and spots of liquidity for this week's trading that I'm gonna actually look at. So happy Halloween, everyone. It's Saturday. Markets are closed, so it gives me a chance to do this without taking any on the spot trades. So let's look and see what we have here. So first I'll look for any gaps that I see, and I'll go ahead and use a box and mark those. So here is a gap here from wick to wick, and there is no candles. Right now I'm on the daily chart. I do zoom in to get a better view of it. So right now, let me just kind of get an idea. Okay, so this gap right here means that this candle has dropped so fast that it kind of skipped a spot in the market and left the gap. So the price would have to come up and fill into this area in order to get the money that was trapped in that area. That would also make sense because we have this double top here, which is what they would call the money spot. And what that means is that people, as in normal retail traders, tend to see a double top and they want to sell here. So like you're taught to sell at double tops and everything. So that means that they have their second leg going down and they are putting their stop loss above the first leg, and their stop loss is there and all of that. If the trade happens to go the opposite direction, it will stop them out of the trade, which will hit their stop loss. But also if it goes enough, it will enter into people's buy stop buy stops. I'm sorry. So that will that just creates additional income for the banks. So if the bank is planning on making a down move, it will probably go up to get this money in this area before it dropped down to the bottom. So that is what I am looking for, and I like to trade with the banks. And so that is trading into the money spot sometimes, or sometimes just waiting until the bank hit the money spot and then making my buy or sell at that point. So like a sell stop or a buy stop. So in this case, I don't know what the market is going to open up at on Sunday at 4 Central Time. So if it opens in this area already, then we're going to possibly sell it back down, since this is the high here. If it doesn't break that high, we're gonna sell. If not, then we'll just kind of buy. But if the market possibly opens down here at a lower area, then we'll just buy up into that spot and then make a sell, maybe probably for the midweek reversal. So let's just continue to mark it up. This is also the daily chart, so we may not even hit that spot anytime soon anyway. So this is a possible good midweek reversal zone, so we can keep an eye out on that. This is GJ, everyone. Let me go down to the 4-hour chart and see if there's anything there. Okay, so 4-hour chart looks like it had a strong downtrend last week. I'm looking for any gaps in the market that it may have made, or any possible double tops that may have left money anywhere, that would make a good trade.
Mama,
Yes,
can I come in?
sure. What's going on?
So Titi did us going to a Halloween party tonight. So that means that she wants me to babysit tonight.
Mhm.
And it'll be easy money because she's going at 10 and Zaira's bedtime is at 10.
Mhm.
So I'm going to take that off.
Okay. Okay. All right, so I just switched over to the 4 hour and I didn't really see anything that kind of piqued my interest. Everything here kind of looks like it's already been filled in. So I'm going to just kind of skip this one and go to the 1 hour. 4 hours normally the best one to find them at, but not this time. So on the 1 hour chart, I'm just gonna see what's going on here. We have an order block right here, and it looks like it's already been tested. So we have, I don't really see any double tops at the moment. Market may still, this may be creating one, but not technically. So that was a double top on the lower time frame, and the market came and wiped that down and then went down here. So that looks like it had a fail, market gap at some point right here on the hour chart. So technically it has not yet been filled because it's only come to here, but so I'll go ahead and adjust that to right here, and it still has a little bit of space to fill, so I'll keep that right there. Market may be headed to that direction if it's not already there when it opened. So we'll just kind of see what happens. Normally it makes a gap up or down. So whatever gap it makes, it'll have a empty spot or liquidity gap to fill as well. Let's go even further. On a 1 hour, let's go down to the 30-minute. Okay, now the 30-minute chart, I don't really see much going on here, but equal tops up here at the top. So market may come back up here and test this high before going back down, just kind of doing a market analysis. And this is just how I find trades. And down to the 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute. You have pretty much a few order blocks that could be filled, like this sell before the buy here. And when I say a sell before buy, I mean the last down candle before the up move that leads to a break in the market structure. So it led to a higher high in that point. So this has not been tested. And what I mean by tested is that the market has went to that higher high and came back down and touched this level to mitigate the bigger players out of this area. So they still have money sitting in this area. So this is an area of interest that we may want to trade sometime this week. And I even go down to the 5-minute chart because let's be honest, sometimes I'm a scalper. So as a scalper, even on a 5-minute chart, you can see that there are areas of liquidity gap right there, and it looks like market is just now tiptoeing into that area when the market closed on Friday. So if someone would have marked that up anytime along that uptrend, whenever the market started to reverse, they would have gotten that, at least that trade to there. So flat bottom normally kind of sometimes means that it's going to continue. That would have been about 15 pips. It's not much, but if you're a scalper on a 5-minute chart, hey, in and out, no drawback, pretty good trade. Also, there is another right here. Just pretty much a gap. You want to go wick to wick, wick to wick. And now, as you can see, there's a little bit of a wick. I don't like anything to be inside of my rectangle. So I'm actually going to go ahead and pull that down a little further, because once it touches it, it's already been mitigated for. It's already been, taken for. So all of this is money. The market has left money all up in here. So they're going to send the market down to collect that money before going in whatever direction they want to go in. Now, this is the 5-minute chart. So if the market wanted to do 3 stages down, you would do your 15 pips here, take profit. Then your second take profit would be there, and then your third one would be going into this box right here. So that's kind of, and you can also grab your ruler and see about how many pips you're looking at. That, let's say, just stop right here. That's about 50 pips right there. So that's pretty good for a scalper. So if anyone wanted to take that up, that's on GJ. And it may be hopefully not filled when the market open, but something that you can look at for Sunday, November 1st. Let's see. Okay, so I did that all the way down to the 5-minute chart. I'm not going to go ahead and take up too much time here. I just wanted to show a quick method of the top-down analysis where you're looking to do liquidity grabs in the market, and you just want to kind of fill spots that have not been filled yet. And that's all I have for this video. Thank you for joining, and enjoy the rest of your day.